Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, today I'm going to show you how to use these tags in your Christmas crafting or any crafting. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for choosing to be here today. I really do appreciate it. I found this set of 18 tags at the Dollar Tree. They're 2x2 squares, and I will just open one so that you can see what it looks like. When I saw them, I thought of a really fun way that we can use these in our paper crafting. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to show you a way to take a tag and turn it into more than a tag. So I'll give you a closer look at what I'm talking about in a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. And before we jump into today's project, I want to announce the winner of my giveaway. And we have two winners. We have Lashika Noble and Joyce Boston. So Lashika and Joyce, please leave a comment on this video claiming your prize, and then I'll reach out to you and we'll get these beautiful hand-blown ornaments in the mail to you. You guys are truly getting a one-of-a-kind. I also have some more items from Eric that I will be giving away throughout 2024. So if you want a shot at winning some of those, just keep watching my channel because those secret giveaways will continue to pop up every now and then at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. So here is a closer look at what I'm talking about. These little tags are so cute. The same patterns appear on both sides, but you do get 18 of them, and they have the foam backing. So if you wanted to just peel them off and apply them to a gift, you can, but that's not what we're going to do. We're going to take these, and because today is Make a Card Monday, we are going to take them and turn them into a very sweet little card. So what I did was I chose 3 that sort of went together in a collection, and I placed them down on this card. Now this card, when finished, measures 3.5 by 8.5. And when you open it on the inside, we have Merry Christmas. Don't know if you can see that written there, but it does say Merry Christmas. Then you can write your nice little message. And I'm also going to show you how to make a very quick and easy envelope to go along with this. Not going to take up much of your time at all. Definitely not going to take much in the way of supplies. So here's what I have. I have 3 white squares that measure 2¼ by 2¼ I have 1 background mat that measures 3⅛ by 8⅛. And then I have a piece of white cardstock that measures 8.5 by 7. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at this and pick out 3 that I actually like for my project. So here are the 3 that I chose because I thought they went well together. I wanted to have one that definitely had a message on it, and then the other 2 just to have some type of cuteness in terms of the embellishment that was placed down on it. So what I'm going to do is bring in my trimmer, and I'm going to place these in the trimmer and trim them at 2 by 2. And I don't have a real use for these right now, so I'll set them to the side. I'm not really focused on them in this video. And so now I'm going to take my 3 2¼ by 2¼ inch squares, and I am just going to add some tape to the back of my little decorative 2 by 2 inch pieces. And so now I can take these and we can place them on the white squares. Just adding a little background mat to these. And then this one is going to be my center. So I am going to bring in the piece that measures 8⅛ by 3⅛. And we're just going to place everything down. So I'll go ahead and add some more tape to the backs of these. And then I'll take one, place it here at the bottom, like that. I'll take the other one. We're going to place it at the top like that. And then I'll take the one in the middle and we'll basically put it down like this. And then I'll take my big old spatula and just go over to get everything nice and stuck. You can see that I have a really cute foundation here. I am just going to take some tape, add that tape to the back. Take my white cardstock that measures 8.5 by 7, and on the 7-inch side we are going to score this at 3.5. And now I'll just fold and burnish, and I can take this piece. We are going to place it down, trying to center it. And y'all, that really is a very quick and easy way to make a card. So then on the inside, I am going to take this little sticker, and it's a clear sticker, and it also says Merry Christmas. Place that down right there, and now we have another card. Let me show you very quickly how to make the envelope. So to make the envelope, I'm using a decorative piece of cardstock that measures 10 3/4 by 10. And on the 10-inch side, we score at 3.5 and at 7 1/8. Then on the 10 3/4-inch side, we score at 1. Turn it to the opposite 10 3/4-inch side and score at 1. Now we are going to fold and burnish all of our scores. And these envelopes are mailable within the U.S. postal system. Just make sure you check to see if there's any additional postage that might be required because of the size. I have no idea if there is, but you can double check. So now that we have it like this, we are going to notch in to free our tab, that center tab. Then here at the bottom, I'll go to the score mark and angle in as I cut. Do the same thing here, go to the score mark and angle in as I'm cutting down. And now we'll free this tab here. I'll take my finger blade, go to the score mark and angle in as I'm cutting down. Same thing here. And so now we have our envelope shape. I'm going to take my scissors and just round my ends. You can use a corner rounder for this. If you don't have a corner rounder, you can see that the scissors work very well. So this is the widest end. So this is the end that we're going to fold upward. So I'm just going to take some tape. You can use glue, but I have my tape out, and I'm going to place tape right along the edge. Make sure that you're using a good quality tape, because if you're mailing these, the last thing you want is for your item to come undone in the post. So we'll place some tape there and some tape there. And then I'll just fold. And so now we have our nice little envelope. I can take my card, place my card on the inside. I can take my double stick tape and add double stick tape to this. So if I do want to mail it, or if I want to drop it in a stocking, it is nicely sealed. And so what I really like about these is not only are they greeting cards that you can make yourself using tags, but they also hold cash as well as gift cards. So you can use these for gift giving or to just send a message. But I think that these are just so stinking cute, and they were so easy to do. Y'all, really, all I did was I took some pre-made tags and I placed them down on my cardstock. And now I have a beautiful card that looks like I bought it at the store, but I didn't. So I hope that you have enjoyed this fun, quick, and easy way that we can use pre-made gift tags in our paper crafting. If you've liked this video, and I certainly hope that you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.